If you're serious about content creation, photography, live streaming, or professional video calls, investing in the right ring light can transform your setup. Whether you need crystal clear lighting for YouTube, TikTok, or a professional photo shoot, these top ring lights for 2025 offer versatility, adjustable settings, and high-quality illumination. Let's break down why these are the must-have choices this year. Neewer Professional Ring Light, ultra-thin and feature-packed for precision lighting. The Neewer Professional Ring Light is a high-end lighting solution designed for makeup artists, streamers, and photographers who need exceptional brightness and color accuracy. This 18-inch ultra-thin ring light delivers 45 watts of soft, adjustable lighting, ranging from 2900 Kelvin, warm tones, to 7000 Kelvin, cool tones, making it perfect for any lighting environment. With a TLC I98 rating, it ensures studio-quality color accuracy, eliminating any unnatural hues. It also features a remote shutter and app control, allowing seamless brightness adjustments without leaving your seat. The included sturdy stand and phone holder make it an all-in-one package for professionals and social media creators alike. Upgrade your setup today. Check the description for the best deals. Godox LR150 Bicolor LED Ring. Light for true-to-life colors. If you need bicolor precision and professional level brightness, the Godox LR150 18-inch LED ring light is a solid choice. Designed for videographers, beauty vloggers, and professional photographers. This light features seamless dimming control and a wide color temperature range, allowing you to create warm, natural, or cool lighting effects. Its high CRI and TLCI rating guarantee accurate color rendering, ensuring that makeup details, skin tones, and product highlights appear natural on camera. Whether you're working in a studio, at-home setup, or outdoor shoot, the Godox LR150 provides pro-level performance. Check out the latest offers in the description. Lume Cube Ring Light Pro. Wireless, portable, and built for professionals. For those who need a flexible, wireless lighting option, the Lume Cube Ring Light Pro is a powerful tool for photographers, streamers, and videographers. Unlike standard ring lights, this model features fully adjustable brightness and color temperature settings, ensuring you get the perfect light intensity for any shooting condition. Its sturdy, portable tripod mount makes it ideal for on-the-go professionals, and it even comes with a padded carrying case for added convenience. Whether you're streaming, filming interviews, or capturing high-quality portraits, this light delivers exceptional illumination without flickering. Find the best deal in the description below. UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light, budget-friendly and perfect for social media creators. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality ring light, the UBeesize 12-inch selfie ring light is one of the best budget-friendly choices for content creators, vloggers, and social media influencers. It comes with a 62-inch adjustable tripod stand, making it a versatile setup for video recording, live streaming, and selfies. Compatible with phones, cameras, and webcams, this ring light features adjustable brightness levels and multiple lighting modes, so you can customize your lighting based on different shooting needs. Whether you're streaming on Instagram, filming TikTok videos, or recording YouTube content, this compact yet powerful light is a must-have. Get yours today. Link in the description. Weilisi Large Ring Light. Full screen brightness for professional setups. For those who need powerful and expansive lighting, the Weilisi Large Ring Light is a top-tier choice for professional videographers and photographers. This 79-inch ring light provides full screen brightness at 6,500 Kelvin, making it ideal for studio shoots, beauty photography, and professional live streaming. It includes a remote control for hands-free brightness adjustments, a secure phone holder, and a sturdy stand that ensures stability during long recording sessions. If you want flawless, even lighting with zero harsh shadows, the Weilisi ring light is your best bet. Upgrade your content game. Check the description for the best deals. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment and let us know. Watch the full video for a deeper dive, and check the description for the best deals.